You look at these two charts. Okay, I give you 5 seconds. Okay, you mentally try to identify the difference. Okay, tonight I'm just going to train you how to look at the chart. Then immediately after 45 minutes, you eureka. Oh, 原来是这样子看 chart. Okay, so DBS Medex, you take a look. 5 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, time's up. Now, when you take a look at these two charts, you will see that Medex, this stock Medex, has got very obvious high volume spike. Very obvious high volume spike. Okay, and you take a look at DBS, you don't see that much volume spike. Am I high? You don't see that much volume spike. Now, those of you who understand what I'm talking about, tap on the like button. Share this to your Facebook wall. Now, Edward, you say DBS downtrend. Okay, you see, trend. From March all the way to June, you can see that the stock is swinging higher and higher and higher. This is uptrend. Okay, this is uptrend. So DBS is not downtrend. All right, if you talk about DBS long-term downtrend, wow. You see, this is not useful for you to trade, right? This is not useful for you to invest, right? So you want to know DBS tomorrow go where? Next week go where? Next month go where? You take a look at this trend. Is there any buyers in control in this stock? You compare to Medex, you see, there are a lot of volume spike. Now, when you see all these volume spike, okay, you look up to the candles. You look up to the candles, you look up to the candles. You will see that it is a long white candle, long white candle, long white candle, long white candle. Now, what is candle? Okay, what is candle? So I will tell you what is candle later, but most importantly is you can see volume spike in the chart. So the first thing you want to see is volume spike in the chart. So buyers in control would mean that you want to see high volume spike. High volume spike, okay, and white candle. Okay, white candle. Now this is signs of buyers in control. Sign of buyer in control. Now, how do you get white candle? You see, you take a look at Medex. Okay, let me open up the data label. Now, this one candle, those of you who are new to technical analysis, one candle, you have got 4 pieces of information. This black and white thing is called candlestick. It's not called piano key. It's called candlestick. So you can see that all the candle has got 4 information. The first information is the opening price of the day high. That means today intraday the highest price is ever achieved, and then the intraday lowest price it ever touched today. Okay, and then the closing price. So these 4 pieces of information form your candlestick. Okay, form your candlestick. So with this information, you see this candle that my arrow is on Medex, for it to open at 19 cents and trade and close all the way up to 23.5 cents. Okay, it requires what? Buying. Am I right? It up 23% in this one day. It requires buying. Only by buying, then only will the price goes from 191 to 192 to 20 cents to 21 cents, 22 cents, 23 cents, 24 cents, 25 cents. Okay, only by buying, the price can go higher, and therefore you have a long white candle, right? And when it comes with very high volume, it will mean that a lot of money comes into the stock. A lot of money comes into the stock. Whose money? Smart money. Okay, not you, not me, smart money. Okay, so you want to follow the smart money, you have to know how to read the candle and the volume. Then you know that money has flowed into the stock. Medex, money has flowed into the stock. Obviously, you see high volume spike coming in. Price went up, price went up, price went up. Okay, so this is one way for you to tell that the buyers are in control. And then before you buy equals to volume trigger, bracket VT. Okay, I call the VT. Right, so this is all for tonight. All these stocks that I analyzed together with you and have some fun chit-chatting with you on the macro economy, on the stocks to look out for, and also train you on how to read the chart. Okay, for those of you who are interested in my training program, I do conduct a very low-cost training program, cater to train you up to be able to trade the stock market in under 3 months. Okay, so you're not looking at 2,000, you're not looking at 3,000. It is only at $291 for 3 months. So after 3 months, the most popular question is, after 3 months, what happened? After 3 months, then you are no longer a member. You should be able to know how to trade already. So if you still think that you need more training and you need more mentorship from me, then you renew another 291. Okay, now when you sign up for 291, what do you get? Okay, now this is me. Okay, you will get access to the premium training videos that I have prepared right here. So all members are encouraged to go through the training videos, 9 of them. Okay, let's go through. So how to use the software, just now I show you the ESP Master User Guide, and then how to find earnings momentum stocks. Okay, then this is how to calculate target price using the EPS model. Okay, and this one, how to determine volume trigger. This is the core principle behind the execution of the trade, when to buy. Okay, now how many units to buy, how many shares to buy, how to manage your stock portfolio. Okay, and then you have got sell rules, when to sell. Now buying is easy, buying is simple. Tomorrow stock market open, you just buy a stock part. When do you sell? That's the art you need to learn. Okay, now John asked a question, does the mentorship program cover the dividend play training? I am preparing for the video. Once it's ready, I will upload for all the members over here. Okay, there is no, okay, let me repeat, there is no second training on dividend play or a separate course. Don't have. It will be integrated into the same program over here. Okay, so this is the units. So once you get access to this Facebook private group, units is where all the training videos are, and discussion is the stocks that we're talking about. Okay, stocks that we are talking about, Sheng Siong lah, the weekly webinar lah, every Monday. Okay, every Monday about 9 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. I'll be online. So this is the video. Okay, then let's go back to this. You get access to all the software as well. Now this is the Facebook group. Okay, so the videos are inside this group, and you get access to this group during the 90 days, and you get access to the stock screener, ESP Master, and also the fundamental information right here. Last time we separate the package. This you have to pay a separate cost for it. Now no, now 2 in 1, everything hamplang together for only 291. Okay, for only 291. So I believe a lot of you may have traded before, and you know to lose 291 is very simple and very easy. Now instead of losing this 291 and don't know what's going on and keep repeating, keep losing the next 291, why don't you invest this 291 in this program and learn, okay, how to read chart, how to find stocks to trade for 3 months together with me, that BMT. So after that, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay, but if, like I said, if you still need help, you can continue to subscribe to 291 and let us do this together. Okay, so this is the 4 simple step. You do the screening, you pick from the list, you evaluate the fundamental information, and then you wait for the volume trigger before you buy the stock. About ChartNexus, okay, I think a lot of you know who is ChartNexus. We supply charts to Kay Hian, UOB Kay Hian. We are the software vendor in the broking industry for the last 14 years. Okay, for the last 14 years. So you know that we are deeply rooted in this part of the world, supplying to the industry. Okay, you can trust us. Now this is my name, Yihua. Okay, a lot of people ask me, hey, your name, Chinese name, very difficult to remember. No, do you have an English name? Have. Okay, my English name is called ChartNexus law. Okay, ChartNexus law. Right, so this is my name, private trader for the last 16 years. So this last time a news article featured me, so I use this picture, okay, this phrase from me. And the trade results from all the past members and the testimonials are here, so you can come here and take a look. I'm going to, the link already pinned up onto the onto the chart. Okay, onto the chart. Sorry, not onto the chart, onto the chat. To the chat. Right? So this is the program for 291. It's just like paying to learn swimming. Okay, paying to learn swimming. Now, I've come to the end of the presentation. Any question, feel free to ask under the comments field.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.